Have you ever heard that exfoliating is an excellent way to eliminate dead skin cells and blackheads, and also to facilitate the penetration of your moisturizing creams, besides many other benefits? An easy and cheap way of exfoliating your skin at home is using coffee. Have you ever heard of coffee scrubs? In today's video, you will learn 3 coffee scrubs to make at home and exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your face and body with coffee will give amazing results, since besides softening the skin, it will also help remove all the dirt and make your skin smoother. Write down the ingredients: milk and coffee, 2 tablespoons coffee grounds, 4 tablespoons whole milk; honey and coffee, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons coffee grounds; olive oil and coffee, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon coffee grounds. All the recipes are prepared in the same way. Just mix the ingredients well until it becomes a smooth paste. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you and your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Using these scrubs is easy. Apply on the area you want to exfoliate, rubbing with circular motions and from down to upwards, especially in more dry areas or places that have stretch marks. You can use the scrubs on your face and body, especially in areas that require a little more exfoliation, like your heels, elbows, or knees. Let the scrub act for a few minutes on your skin. Then rinse the area with cold water and dry with a soft towel. For even better results, try exfoliating after your shower, since your pores will be opened by the heat and steam, allowing the scrub to clean even the deepest layers of the skin. It is recommended to apply some moisturizing cream after the exfoliation to make your skin even softer. You can use the coffee scrub up to 2 times a week. Besides all the benefits we mentioned above, exfoliating also helps to soften the skin, improve blood circulation, lessen red stretch marks, and stimulate the growth of new skin cells. Do it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.